Windsor Essex Weekly Market Update, covering May 5 to May 25, 2025. Let's break down the real estate trends from the past 3 weeks. May 5 to 11, new listings 685, homes sold 211, sold percentage 30.80%. May 12 to 18, new listings 511, homes sold 190, sold percentage 37.18%. That's a good news. A 6.38% increase in sold to list ratio week over week, showing stronger buyer demand despite fewer listings. May 19 to 25, new listings 582, homes sold 196, sold percentage 33.67%. A slight dip from previous week but still higher than early May. 3-week trend summary. Although inventory fluctuated, buyer activity remained steady. The highest sold percentage was recorded between May 12 to 18, indicating a hot mid-month market. Supply is tightening, and well-priced homes are still selling quickly. Whether you're buying or selling, staying on top of these shifts give you the edge in this dynamic market. For expert advice or book a consultation, contact Cynthia today at 519-971-6229.